Verehrte Damen und Herren, bitte beachten Sie das Rauchverbot in unseren Terminals. Das Rauchen ist nur in den ausgewiesenen Raucherbereichen gestattet. Vielen Dank.
Your attention, please. Please do not smoke in the terminal building. Smoking is only permitted in the specified smoking areas. Thank you.
Sayın yolcular, lütfen terminallerdeki sigara içme yasağına uyunuz. Sadece işaretlerle gösterilen bölümlerde sigara içilebilir. Teşekkürler.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Indian Airlines Flight 999 bound for New York. While you are getting comfortable in the cabin, this is a reminder that all carry-on baggage must fit securely either in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. Thank you.
Cell phones and other electronic devices should be switched off while landing and takeoff. We advise you to remain seated and fasten your seat belt at all times during our flight. On behalf of Indian Airlines, we welcome you on board and wish you a pleasant journey. Please feel free to ask any attendant for assistance. Thank you.
On behalf of Indian Airlines and the crew, I want to wish you an enjoyable stay in the settled area or at your final destination. Now, please sit back and enjoy the flight. Thank you. The captain of the flight, Mrs. Ivani, and I am Aishwarya. The in-flight time to the destination will be 11 hours and 40 minutes. Your captain will provide you with more information after takeoff.
Hello everyone, this is the captain speaking and I want to welcome you to flight 18.5 New York. Our flight time today is 11 hours and 14 minutes and we will be flying at an average altitude of 29,000 feet. The local time at New York is a quarter to 12 and the current weather is sunny, but there is a chance of rain later in the day. We will be arriving at gate 13. Thank you.